This summer, 20 million people will visit Greece. They will enjoy the country's deep blue seas, natural beauties, and rich cultural heritage. They will enjoy the wonderful Greek cuisine. They will dance, sing, and discover Greek hospitality. In Greece, there is a saying, "The children of the prudent cook before they become hungry." Imagine that some misfortune may befall you. Sunburn, bee, wasp, or sea wasp sting, reptile bite, or stepping on a sea urchin, food intolerance or gastroenteritis, small accident, slight injury, serious accident, any medical emergency. You will likely encounter the following problems: long waiting lines, limited availability of hospital beds, difficulty communicating because of the language barrier, high cost at a private clinic, limited or lacking healthcare services in remote areas. It is wise to be prepared. FZine Health Card, especially for foreign visitors to Greece. It gives you access to 1,900 physicians in every specialty, 200 diagnostic centers, 30 private clinics throughout Greece for any health problem. Promptly, without any hassle, with 24/7 call center support in your own language. Free clinical examination for emergencies. 80% discount on all diagnostic tests. Think smart. Get the FZine Health Card now and enjoy a carefree vacation. Have a great summer.